Hey guys, so today's video is my get ready with me for prom video, and you're oh shoot, wait, one's that green light. I'm stuck with nowhere to go. Anyways, as I was saying, today's video is my get ready with me for prom video. So I'm taking you guys with me to go get my lashes fixed, because if you do not already know, I have eyelash extensions and I want my lashes to look perfect for prom. So that's where I'm going to right now. Sorry, I'm driving to my appointment if it's not obvious. I did have to leave school a little early for my appointment, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Oh my gosh, there's a big wasp. Get away. Anyways, I'm about to get on the freeway, so I will talk to you guys after my appointment. All right guys, my lashes are done, if you can't tell. Sorry, my eyes are probably a little bit red and watery because I always fall asleep when I get my lashes filled, you know, it's great. Now I'm going to go get my nails done. It's about 4:30 right now and my nail appointment's at 6. So I'm just gonna go home and eat something before I go. A lot of you guys are probably like, okay, it's not prom, like why are you filming? I wanted to film because pretty much I am getting ready for prom. Like I'm getting my lashes done, I'm getting my nails done, and then tomorrow I'm getting a spray tan. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take them along with me. So that's what I'm doing. I got my nails done. I'm getting my toes done the exact same color right now. I'm here with Carly, Hallie, and my madre. Guys, so I'm going to get my spray tan. The last time you guys saw me, I was getting my nails done. Here are my toes. Okay, that was an epic fail. You couldn't even see them. My toes, I know, they look cute. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm going to go get my spray tan, and I'm not gonna film that because, you know, this ain't Pornhub. I know I look like absolute trash. That pimple ain't going away, so, you know, it's gonna be there for prom. There's my mom. Oh, she don't want to be in the video. Okay, bye. She dodged that so hard. Let's go. You're slow.
You need to chill.
This is my outfit. I know I look really hot and attractive. I just got my spray tan and it's not very dark, like at all. I don't know if you guys can tell. Okay, where even is my car? Did my mother leave me? My mom left me. What? My mom was getting my boutonniere for my date.
Do you want 2 smaller roses or 1 big one?
2 smaller roses.
You like 2 smaller for his boutonniere?
Oh, no, 1. Just wait, right?
What do they usually do? She's go sorry.
I don't freaking know. All right, so I am home and I got my dress right behind me. I'm not gonna show you guys till I'm totally ready for prom. Anyways, I just got my spray tan as I said. If this does not darken up, I'm probably going to go get another one. Oh my gosh, I look so uneven. This low-key looks 10 times worse than I did my own self-tanner. If you guys did not see that, then you don't follow me on Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else planned to get ready for prom until like actually getting ready for prom. So I will see you guys when I'm getting ready for prom. Hey guys, okay, so I just got back from my day date. Half of you guys probably don't even know what that is. So in Utah, it's like the thing to go on a day date before actual prom. And I promise my hair didn't look like this, but anyway, so I got his boutonniere. Got it right here. Now I have to go like change my shirt because I'm going to get my hair and makeup done. So let's go. Okay, so I look freaking ugly right now, as you can tell. I'm getting my hair and makeup done, so hopefully I look less ugly. What? What'd you say?
I said your legs are orange.
Oh yeah, my legs are orange. I forgot to tell you guys, I went back to get my spray tan again, and they made it so dark my hands don't match my face, and it's awful. So we'll see if the girl can fix it or something.
Fade all summer, I've been praying all winter. I could probably swim 1,000 miles if I could just see you. Oh, a little bit of saint, but a whole lot of sinner. I would probably die 1,000 times if I could just see you. Oh, see you. Oh, see you. Oh, I could probably die 1,000.
My hair and makeup is done. Hopefully I look good. I'm now home and I'm about to get into my dress. Get the frick out. I'm about to get into my dress, and if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, then you guys did not see that I already posted my dress, my prom dress. But if you do not follow me on Instagram, then you're going to see it now. So here's the grand reveal. It's the floral one. I know, it's so cute. I like it a lot. I am now in my dress. Here it is on, and I know. Shut up! Here's my dress on. There's pockets. and everything. This is it. Oh, Carly, come show them the back of my hair. There's my makeup. Yes. Here's my hair. Anyways, wait here. Let me step back a little bit. This is my dress.
How dare you, Carly?
So it has pockets here, and here are my shoes. It's Sherry Hill, and I got it at Epsilon Dresses in Utah, if you're curious. And this is it. That is it for my Get Ready With Me prom video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, be quiet. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big, fat, huge, amazing, fabulous thumbs up. Ignore him. And if you're not already subscribed, you should totally subscribe because you will become a part of the Lovely fam, which is the best fam. And yeah, so Carly, stop. I love you all so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.
Oh, would you be so kind as to fall in love with me? You see, I'm trying, I know you